Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my beautiful I Am Alchemy box. This is the Crystal Cluster, which is the large box. Let's check it out. Crystal Infusion. I love their boxes. It is really pretty. It smells good. Okay, so I've got a card here about selenite. The insert and some more information here, which I usually read after. It's a pretty little crystal in a bottle. Sticker. I hate to ruin them, but hey, there we go. Oh wow. Oh wow. When I'm in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted. This is beautiful. I collect my little oracle cards. Oh wow, this one's also really pretty. I am aware of divine guidance at all time. I connect easily with spirit. My spirit is connected to the source of my knowledge. I feel the strong spiritual connection to my highest self and to the divine source. So beautiful. Okay. This pretty. It's a different style bag. Oh, cool. Oh man, this is so precious. Oh wow. So they're mandalas. The journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. In stillness, the world is restored. And this one says the obstacle is the path. Pretty freaking cool. These are beautiful. Little wood, like colored pencil things. And a sharpener. So that's really cool. I like that. I'm digging the whimsy. This is Gem Infused Divination Tea Selenite, which is awesome. Ooh. This smells good. Selenite Sacred Lotus Gem Infused Herbal Soap. There's like a butterfly here. Made with selenite gem essence, blend of essential oils, fragrance oil, detergent-free coconut milk soap base, indigo powder, rose clay, blend of pink and blue lotus petals. Wow. Beautiful. This says lemongrass. Huh. I don't know what these are, so I'll have to look at that, but this is really pretty. Ooh, there's the selenite. Cool. Alright, and this is a beautiful beads. Nice. It's a little stretchy. Cool. Everything in here smells divine. And I'm sure that's like the point. Okay. Let me get this back in here, or on here. Let's look at our information. Okay, selenite, thank you for joining us on our journey of spiritual self-care, love, and healing. When creating the boxes, I'm usually divinely guided as to what energy is needed out in the world at the time the box will be released. Cool. So basically it just says how she comes up with her ideas. I don't extrapolate too much about what it says. I usually put it pretty close though, so if you want to read it, you totally can. So this is what I'm looking for. Included in the Crystal Cluster box, selenite gem infused soap with blue and pink lotus petals. Ta-da. There we go. Selenite crystal. Selenite gem infused divination tea. Do not drink if pregnant or nursing. Pardon me. affirmation card for divination meditation, artwork by Katja Gerasimova, and an oracle card. So this is the affirmations and the artwork, which is lovely. And this is an oracle, which was awesome. Pardon me, I don't know what I got in my throat. Tibetan Nepali rope incense made in Kathmandu, Nepal. Can be burned in an abalone shell, ashtray, large incense burner, or tempered glass jar. And it gives a link to a YouTube video. That's what this is. Lemongrass incense rope. So that's pretty freaking cool. I've never gotten it before. Never. Oh, you know what I just missed? It tells you the oracle deck. And I so appreciate that because I get so many oracle cards. And some of them I'm like, oh my god, this deck is beautiful. And I have no way to research it. So I really appreciate that. And then, let me see here. Mindful mandala cards with contemplating quotation on the back. That was these 3. Genuine wooden twig colored pencils. I've included a sharpener, but please be aware that this is a true twig from a tree and it will have to be whittled down by a knife or blade to prick the large size hole in the sharpener. Cool. And then Tibetan Buddhist sandalwood mala prayer bead necklace / bracelet. Awesome. Alright, so that's this part. And then there's one more page. This is all heavy cardstock paper too. And this is just more ideas about the stone and how to use it and a little bit of history behind it. Lots of good information. So, wow, I love it. This is my first crystal cluster. I don't know if you guys saw my earlier review of the little crystal point, which was really cute and enchanting. This box is their deluxe box. It is $44.99. Let me just double check that to be absolutely positively sure. Crystal cluster, $44.99 on I Am Alchemy. And I'm really digging it. It has a completely different feel than anything else I'm getting, and I like it. It's definitely different. I'm getting stuff that I haven't gotten anywhere. I've never gotten this. I love all these little cards. I like the whimsy of it, and also just it's charming. It really is. It's charming to me. And that's really nice. I really appreciate it. I look forward to getting more boxes. Oh, it's almost time to go. My dogs are rallying up for a ruckus. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please tell me what you think. If you enjoy this, please give me a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm inching closer to that 200 subscriber giveaway. And I'm really excited. I've already sent out the packages for the first 2 winners, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And please enjoy this video, enjoy what I'm doing here, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.